Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, we are talking about graphs. So, what is a graph? A graph is a two-dimensional representation of a set of numbers or data. There are many ways that numbers can be illustrated by a graph. Let me make it very simple for you. A graph is a picture of the data that you have collected throughout years or months or days. Here is an example of a graph. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.